everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY for you guys. We're going to make a mirror tray. So let's get into items that we'll be using. Alright you guys, we have the mirrored tiles here that I got from Dollarama if you're in Canada. But they also have it on Amazon and eBay. The link will be in my description box below. And I also have this large square mirror here that I got from Dollarama. But you can also get them at Michael's also. And we have some silver acrylic paint here, sorry. And we have some Mod Podge. And we have some small glitter, you guys. Now, if you're over here in Canada, Dollarama has these 3 sets of glitter here, which is really neat. And it has the large glitter, the medium, and the small. It's really neat, you guys. And it's only I think it was $1.25 or $1.50 in Dollarama. Yeah. And I have this artist panel here. I got it in Dollarama, but I like it because it has the deep grooves, perfect for a tray. So I'll be using it for a tray. And we have our tools, you guys, that we need. And our E6000. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we're just going to start with taking this silver acrylic paint and painting our board. No, he don't recognize you. And now that our tray is all dry, we're going to take our mirrored pieces, which I've cut into strips. And we have some bling wrap here, you guys. We'll be using that too. And we're just going to place it going around our tray. With the E6000, you guys. Not the glue gun, the E6000 for the mirrored pieces. Okay, now we're going to add this bling wrap to the center of the tray right here. With the glue gun. Now we're using the glue gun, you guys. Okay, we did the outsides of the trays. Now we're going to do the top part of the trays. Same thing with the mirrored pieces and the bling wrap. Going all the way around. And now we're going to take the silver glitter and the Mod Podge, and we're just going to line them around where the square mirror does not meet, because I don't have a full mirror to cover the bottom. So I'm just going to bling out the sides with some silver glitter going around. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. Baby, you know I. And the glitter is dry now, so now it's time to add our mirror, you guys. We're gonna use the E6000 and some glue gun and put our mirror down in the center. Okay, you guys, I just want to show you that if you don't have a solid mirror, you can get the 4 small square mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and you see they fit. It fits the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4 mirrors in the center using the Dollar Tree mirrors if you don't have the solid mirror, if you can't find it at Michael's. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. You don't know what you got. And here's our finished look, you guys. I love how it turned out. It looks very nice. A mirrored display tray. OMG, it's all shiny and nice. I just love how it turned out. And I like the glitter on the inside. When you mix the glitter with the Mod Podge, what I noticed, when you mix it together and put it down, it's not as shiny, but it still has a nice effect. You know, so I like it. I think it looks very nice. And here's how it looks on my coffee table. I think it looks very nice. It came out just the way I imagined it would, the way I wanted, a mirrored tray. You know, a diva on a budget, do it myself. Yeah, I think it looks very nice this way. And here's another way I'm displaying this tray. I think both ways look very nice. I'm really pleased with how the tray turned out. I really like it, you guys. Hi everyone. Oh, I'm coming on because I'm having another giveaway, you guys. Yeah, it's giveaway time again. Yeah. So this giveaway that I'll be having, there'll be 2 winners for this giveaway, and let me tell you what you have to do. Okay, this giveaway, I'm seeing every minute. Oh my gosh, OMG. I am tired. I just got in and I said, you know what, let me get this video up. So that's what I'm doing. So excuse me for saying so much. Okay, let's get back into this. The video is gonna run from the 13th of April until the 22nd of April. Yeah, April 13th to April 22nd, 2018. Yeah, and the requirements for this video is you have to, I'm going to send you to watch one of my sister's videos, the Journey Family. I've mentioned a few times about my sister. She has a channel up, so I'm just asking everybody to go over and watch one of her videos. I'll leave a link below to the video that I want you to watch, and once you watch her video, you have to comment Bling Mirrors. I'll put it right here. Comment Bling Mirrors. That way I know you're entering the giveaway, that you watch her video and you're entering the giveaway. And you also have to like my video and be a subscriber to my channel. Yeah. Alright, so those are the 3 things that you have to do. 3 things, yeah. Watch her video, like my video. Leave a comment. Oh yeah, leave a comment on her channel, Bling Mirrors. Under that video that I'm going to leave, Bling Mirrors, and be a subscriber of mine also. Yeah, I remember I said I'm going to leave the link below to the video that you guys have to go over and watch on the Journey Family. Yeah. Okay, let me show you what you'll be getting if you decide to enter this video. As usual, I have our Bling Gems. 3 packs of our Bling Gems will be in this giveaway. And I'm going to have the mirrored tiles, you guys. Yeah, the mirrored tiles. Now, I only have 3 packs of the mirrored tiles. There's 2 winners for this giveaway, and I have 3 packs of the tiles each. I wanted to do 5, but you guys, the tiles are sold out everywhere. Every Dollarama I go to, the tiles are sold out. And I go everywhere because I go in Ottawa, I go in Quebec, I go in Toronto here, and Brampton, all over. I drive, so I drive everywhere to all the Dollaramas, all the Dollar Trees when I want my supplies. That's what I do. And believe me when I say I cannot find them, that means they're sold out. Everywhere they're sold out. So I have 6 packs. And I said, you know, instead of waiting to find 5 packs for each person, I'll just give away 3. You know, because 3, that's a lot of tiles too. You can do a bit with that. with the 3 tiles. Yeah, so that's what we'll be having. The gems and the tiles will be in this giveaway. 2 winners. And of course, in my packages, I always put an extra prize. Yeah, I always send something extra in my giveaway packages. And who knows, maybe there'll be a bonus winner. You never know. You have to wait and see. Yeah. So, the video is for everyone. And what you have to do, you have to go over and watch the video. I'm going to leave the link below. You have to go over and watch that video from my sister, the Journey family. Leave a comment on her video. Don't leave a comment on my video. Leave a comment on her video saying Bling Mirrors. Bling Mirrors. Say that on her video. And you have to like my video and be a subscriber to me. And it runs from April 13th until April the 20th. From April the 13th until April the 22nd. I'm tired, you guys. Yeah. Alright, you guys. Good luck to everyone who's going to enter this giveaway. And thank you once again for coming on and seeing the video that I had to do for today. And remember, as always, you guys, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.